My name's Robert Smith. I'm a HGV, or I was a HGV tanker driver, long distance. When I got to go for it, it came through the post, and I looked at my wife, and AAA meant nothing to me, but it had a little diagram inside of it and what it was going to do, and I looked at it and half-heartedly threw it to one side, and then a couple of days later I thought, well, it's got an appointment to go down to the medical centre. It's for people of a certain age, approaching 65. That's when I understand it as now, when everybody gets called up to come and get one of these tests done. It's not intrusive at all. It's just a matter of lying down, lifting your belly up, maybe open the top of your trousers, bit of jelly on. Yeah, you're all right. Wipe the jelly off. I lay down on the table and I lifted my top up. She put the gel on and away she went, and she's here, there and everywhere. And then I hadn't got a very good poker face because it was written all over something was not right. He said, "You've got an aneurysm." And they revealed it was 12.7. They put me on in this wheelchair, and waiting for an ambulance. And I was trying to get up and walk about, and things were, no, sit down. You don't know how poorly you are. And I thought, I'm not. I hadn't. No, I kept on asking, have you got backache? Have you got stomach ache? And is everything all right? Temperature's all right? Everything was all right. Then it started to hit home when he said, I want an ambulance here now with blue lights and a siren, and I want it here now. And then that's when it dawned on me, something seriously wrong here. The surgeon who eventually operated on me, he was actually waiting there for me when I got there. Now, my job's a HGV tanker driver, and I'm running around the roads with 44 ton. The frightening thing is, I had no symptoms, but if I'd have been driving along that motorway at 56 mile an hour and it had burst, all right, I would have been dead in a minute and a half. The frightening bit is, where would the wagon have ended up at? Who else would I have killed? And that's always in the back of my head. And I've never drove a wagon since that day. No symptoms whatsoever. No symptoms of just a normal day in July, where I turned up for an appointment to sort of like be in and out in the crack, to have my whole world turned upside down in a matter of seconds. At the end of the day, of what we're doing now, even if it saves one life, then that's a win. If you get an invite, definitely go, because it saved my life. I could have died a year and a half ago. My wife who's over there, she could be a widower now.